Alrighty, part 3 of the Doyle Anvil review. I'll give you my final thoughts. This is obviously a brand new Doyle Anvil. I returned the last one to Harbor Freight with no issues. They were very accommodating. They saw the issues and agreed that it was unacceptable. Gave my money back, and I checked out the one they had available and the display model, both of which had the same circles and the same stuff going on as the Anvil you saw in the part 2. If you haven't seen that already, check it out, guys, so you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I went back last night, found this one. It looks amazing. If I had got this the first go around, we would have had a completely different review. And I'm glad I got the other one to start with, so I could let you guys know what issues are out there and what to look out for. If that helped you, let me know. But yeah, like I said, guys, I did the same thing to the surface of this one as I did the last one, so I could see what was going on. Obviously, I haven't taken the paint off yet, but I did the same thing to the surface, and it looks great. One thing I didn't mention in the last one was when you look down in the pritchel hole, there was pretty large inclusions all through the pritchel hole in the last one. This one has a nice clean casting all the way through. It looks great. All the edges look much better than the last one. The last one had a couple inclusions right on the edges of the anvil. This one doesn't have any of that. The hardy and the pritchel hole look much cleaner. The horn doesn't have the deep grinding marks where they're chasing out inclusions. So overall, very pleased with this anvil. Would definitely recommend this particular anvil, and highly recommend you inspect the anvil before you buy it, and just avoid that issue from the get-go. Guys, got some cool stuff coming up. Finally got some drawings for the next job. Got some nice drop forge pickets here that are going in that. I got some profile top cap. I have to clean all that up because I've had it sitting around for a while. Another quick tip I want to give you guys. I know this can be a really expensive hobby to get into if you're just doing this as a hobby. Now you got a nice, relatively inexpensive anvil you can pick up. But hammers are another expense, and if you guys are interested, I can show you how I find these. You probably saw this in the part 2 video. Really like this hammer. Paid $3 for it, okay? This is a nice big ball peen here. $4 for that one. This one I picked up yesterday actually for $1. Nice little ball peen. Nothing fancy. Just clean up the face of that and I can use that. Those can be a little harder to come by. So if you're looking to go grab one right away, this is a nice 2.5 pound cross peen. Probably available in every state. I know you can order offline if you can't find one if you don't have a store locally. But anyway, nice 2.5 pound cross peen. It's going to look like this when you buy it. Okay, just a little dressing, do whatever you want to make it look nicer. You don't have to go this far with it, or you can go further. But for $15 to $18, that's a really nice 2.5 pound cross peen. Yeah, guys, subscribe for the next upcoming videos if you haven't already. Thank you to everybody that has already subscribed. There's a lot of really good comments in the part 2 video of this anvil. A lot of good information down in there. I'm learning a lot as I go. Looking forward to having more conversations after more videos. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I got to get started on this next job. I'm already a little behind on it. So I'm going to jump right into that. Doyle Anvil, it's got a thumbs up. Just inspect it before you buy. Can't wait to use this one. Have a good day, guys.